Changing video quality on YouTube TV Mobile helps you save data, reduce buffering, or enjoy higher resolution when you have strong internet. Here's how to adjust it quickly on your phone. Step 1. Open the YouTube TV app. Launch the YouTube TV app on your iPhone or Android device. Make sure you're signed in. Step 2. Play any video start playing a live TV channel, recorded show, or on-demand video. Video quality settings only appear when a video is actively playing. Step 3. Open Video Settings. Tap anywhere on the video to bring up the playback controls. Now tap the three-dot menu, More Options, or the Settings gear icon, depending on your device. Step 4. Select Video Quality, choose Video Quality. You'll see several options such as Auto, YouTube TV adjusts quality based on your internet speed. High, HD 1080p. Best quality uses more data. Medium, balanced option low, 480p or lower. Saves data, ideal for slow connections. Step 5. Pick your preferred quality. Tap the quality level you want. The video will adjust immediately. Tips. If your internet is unstable, avoid auto, as it changes quality frequently. Choose a fixed quality for a smoother experience. That's it. You've successfully changed the video quality on the YouTube TV mobile app.